All right, how to fold a fitted sheet. Everybody knows a fitted sheet. This is a king size. You know, it's got that elastic stuff, and it's hard to fold. It's just not a square. So we're going to show you how to fold a fitted sheet. You think like a grandma will be showing you. Instead, you got me. Pick it up. You're going to start inside out, and you're going to go corner to corner, right on those creases. Boom, crease to crease. Now, we're just going to hold it up like this. Crease to crease, corners to corners. We're going to tuck. We're going to go right meeting left, in and under, tuck under. There it is. And now you've got this loop here. You got this loop here, right there. So have that loop. Now we're going to set it down. First of all, we got to make sure that the sheet is the right way. So you see it's still flopped over. So this is the right side. We're going to make sure that it's all on the right side, which would be like that, kind of like a basket. Right there. We got this one. We're going to set this down for now. We're going to work on the other corner. So we just set that down. Like that. We're going to work on the other corner. Same thing. You're going to go corner to corner. Find our crease right there. And our other crease right here. Boom. Inside out again. Inside out. Don't go too much. You don't want to mess up our corner. We already did. And then we're going to meet it again. Right to left. Tuck it under. You're going to have that seam right there. Now we're going to take our old one, back up, and we're just going to go now straight through, keep the side, straight through, like that. As you can see, we got two little pockets creases. It should be about even. With that said, we're going to take it up like this. There. So it's just kind of flapped over. Now we got almost a square. We're going to lay it down. We got our square. We're going to lay it down. We're going to take our other one. So we got our square. Squares it out. Squares it out. Now you come over here. Come over here, you see? Pull it around like this. As you can see, we got our square like that. Now, fold up. We're just gonna tighten it up. We're gonna really make it a square. We fold up a little bit, fold this one in a little bit, boom. Now we're gonna go three ways. You can see we almost got our square. This is the rounded part that we really can't help, but we're gonna get it. Up once, I go up twice, boom. I'm gonna flip it over, just about flat. We're gonna go 1, 2, boom. And now it's ready for your closet. It's good like that. So that's how you fold a fitted sheet. You know, looks pretty good. You know, make everything look nice. Cut.